Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this gradient outline effect on CapCut PC. Select your video and copy and paste that, and you're going to simply go to effects, go to comic, and add in a neon to that as well. You can adjust the atmosphere as well, and I'm going to go to filters and I'm going to add this black and white filter on top. Go back to effects and go to lens and add in an edge glow to that as well, and just adjust the glow. Go to media and add in a gradient color of your choice. I'm choosing this blue and green, and we are going to select a linear burn for this. You can again adjust the atmosphere if you'd like to, if that's too much. Select everything, except for the first video. Right click, create compound clip, and go to blend mode and choose the screen or brighten one, or whichever one you want to add, but probably like brighten or screen. If you don't like the lines, just simply mask it out. I don't really like it on that side, but I'm just going to put it where this is kind of, or you can use the rectangle one even to just put it here. It's not going to be super precise. If you want to be super precise, you can use the cut out for it, but I'm just going to simply use this. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!